There's a doggy.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
There's a doggy. Can you say hi, baby? Oh, be nice. Daddy, don't let him pull. That's okay. Let Murphy move away. Come here, Murph. Come here. Murphy, come. Nice, you sit. Can't get up there. Sit. Call him over. Wait. Murphy. Okay. Baybo, okay. Come on, Murphy. Come on, Murphy. Good boy. That's good, Murphy. Sit. You're okay. Okay. Hey. Easy. Easy. Go see Daddy. Now protect Murphy, yeah.
Okay.
Tell him it's okay. Oh, Murphy, that saved me. Oh, Murphy's a good boy. He's a good boy. Where's the doggy, Baybo? Where's the doggy, Baybo? He's going after the AC vent there. Lovely. Do they make plastic wrap for those? Pointing back over there. Hi, boys. There's my boys. Murph. Hi. You're a good boy. You won't even look at me. Hi. Hi. He's a good boy. Oh. Okay, get Murphy off your lap now. Or let Bowman crawl up there. Well, looks like something more interesting has been found, Murph. You're off the hook. Okay. Okay. Sweet little guy. Sweet little guy.